before I can really tell you what is strategic marketing plan, I must tell you what is the vision of Valsante. The vision which I, Deep Bhandari, Vinod Tripathi, our other directors, Girdhar Balwani, and the experts, which like my friends who are here on the call, we actually have set out on a journey. You are trying to make a customer journey, and let me tell you our journey first. Would you like to hear that?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Particularly for Pumbans, I think it's at the cost of repetition, but I must share it. So I'll tell you in very simple words. Can you read the two first, these two clouds, the orange and the blue ones? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the point here is, somebody said that we want to move from illness to wellness and fitness. That is true, but that's part of the story. You will still encounter illnesses. You will still get infections. You will still get COVIDs and SARS and Ebolas and all those H1N1s and different nice acronyms people keep, or they will keep sending some viruses now and then. I think this is just the beginning. Now, what do we do? I mean, guys are still struggling to find a vaccine for this. Where is that entire, industry is really not being able to cope up with it. Life has become miserable. And in a way, it's good also. It's a zero-sum game. Nature is enjoying and people are stuck in their home, and we are anyway using technology to connect. We're not losing much. But what I want to convey to you is illness, and the students who have done the work and presented, and you all presented to your coaches, you remember what was the first chapter? Disease dynamics, treatment pathway, patient journey, right? Disease, doctor, drug. These 3 Ds. So you try to learn about the disease. You learn about that. Anyway, we will go to that, who manages this, and the drug, right? So when it is actually a disease, now my question to each one of you is, so when you get a disease or any condition, your body or any organ of the body is engaged, and you have a choice, rather no choice, to take drugs and pills. And there are a lot of reports that you take a certain class of drugs for long term, then you get 3 other diseases, right? Now, that is one option which is already being overused, and physicians prolifically prescribe it. Pharma industry enjoys it. And people are in a big rut of actually, fighting to remain fit. Now, I'm giving you another option. I'm not giving you an Ayurvedic option. Please, I mean, when we say Ayurveda, we try to denigrate it, but actually it is the most unfortunate thing. There is so much of wisdom in our own therapies. It is just that there was not enough money power or not enough clinical trials done to bring in the evidence. And on the contrary, I will also go on to say, and this is being recorded, that there have been vested interest groups, there have been nexuses, there are movies around it, that not enough support was given to alternative therapies, and they have remained dwarfed. And as a result, we are only struggling, and we are taking not food as medicine, we are taking medicine as food. I'm sure many of you would be seeing your parents, grandparents taking medicine as food. So my question again back, if you have your one organ or the body involved in a particular disease, you have an option of a chemically synthesized small molecule, big molecule, biological, vaccine, whatever you call it as a drug, which has, of course, side effects. And after 10 years of study and great clinical trials, they will come out and tell that, no, sorry, this drug actually has very serious side effects. In Novartis, we ourselves have actually, many times withdrawn one of the COX-2 inhibitors, valdecoxib. And many COXIBs, that they have been withdrawn. Many PPIs actually increase the diabetes risk 2 times if you're taking till the 50 year of age. So with all these things in the background, I'm not giving you an Ayurvedic solution. It is not a Unani solution. It is simple nutrient as a solution. Are you getting my word? Nutrient. I'm not saying nutraceutical. I'm not saying nutrition. I'm saying nutrient as a solution. And that nutrient can come from two routes. One is food and the others are as supplementation. The nutrient will come from food or supplementation. And these now the question is, if you are, now you were talking about illness to wellness and fitness, why should we not ask this question, why the illness at all? You were busy making patient flow analysis for a given disease. Why don't you ask, please delete this disease itself? Let us not start the patient flow at all. Why should patient have that disease? There are 10 crore pre-diabetics in this country waiting nicely to become full-blown diabetic in the next 3 years. What are they doing? What are the doctors doing for them? I mean, we are busy maintaining our quarterly balances. So the question is, if you have a choice of a nutrient, one, it will prevent the disease. Second, it will help you manage the disease better. So it is a preventive therapy. It is a supportive therapy. It is also a palliative therapy, and it is a complementary therapy also. So when we talk about Wohlsanté, the word in German means full health, and we mean three things. Number one, let the illness not happen. Second, wellness is a state of well-being or mind, state of mind. So mental health, spiritual health, everything is equally important. And fitness is more a physical health. You might not have a disease. You might be happy also. So you have a health and you have happiness, but you are not fit still, right? Diseases managed mainly with medicines can be prevented and managed better with nutrients from foods and supplements. That is the business Wohlsanté is in. Therefore, you can leave your drugs in the chemist pot and heal yourself with food-based solutions and the nutrients. If you are taking drugs, they are not only going to cause side effects, they are also going to deplete the nutrients which we were talking in the beginning. Are you getting me? So drugs are also the enemy of the nutrients which your body needs, right? So I think advancement of science is great. We will need certain drugs. I'm not saying that we are against or we are not going to, it's not, I'm saying it should be preventive and it should be complementary. So the saying that goes, you would have heard, if your food and nutrition is wrong, medicine is of no use. I'm repeating, if your food and nutrition is wrong, medicine is of no use. And if it is right, medicine may be of no need. I think this sums up this entire discussion and the vision which I wanted to share, that what business we are in.